Ntando to Khaya Mthethwa, you're a man of great character and integrity. Former Miss SA Ntando Mthethwa has penned the sweetest to her hubby and musician, Khaya, who she totally adores. Ntando and Khaya have taken #couple goals to a whole new level. They're not shy to show the world how in love they are. And, rightfully so. Khaya celebrated his birthday earlier this week and Ntando had the sweetest message for him. To a man I highly respect and admire. What a blessing it is to know you as my friend, husband, pastor, and confidant. I love you so much and I thank God every day that I get to wake up next to you and face life with you by my side. You are a man of your word. A man of great character and integrity. Thank you for the laughs, pursuing me on a daily, your patience, energy and your constant demonstration of love. On this day I wish you endless happiness, success, wealth, health, and that God continues the work He has started in you. I think you are awesome. Swoon. How cute are they?